Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we have this 2021 Subaru Forester and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it'll protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight. So all we need to do is apply slip solution to the lens, and with the clay microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the taillight may have. So once we finish prepping the taillight, now we can start with the installation. So we're going to start with the lower section first. Just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And you can start also by applying tack solution, that way we're able to tack it down as soon as we finish aligning the film. So apply your solution, align it to the edge. Once it's on the edge, spray tack solution on top. Grab your squeegee, hold it in position, and tack it down to secure it. Make sure you're covering the top section too, right here where the clear part is located. The other tint will cover the remaining section here in the middle. So just make sure to remove all of the solution that's underneath the film. That way we don't have any bubbles left over. Make sure everything stays secured. And all we need to do is just stretch the film to reach to this end. Okay, so for this one, we're just going to lift the film carefully, apply slip solution, stretch it until we reach to the edge, and then start tagging it down little by little to help remove any fingers. And to seal this top and lower section here, we're just going to apply a little bit of heat to seal them. That way once these are sealed, we'll move on to the next piece. And to seal the top and lower section, just apply tack solution on both ends and then apply heat. So for the next piece, just apply tack solution to the lens and tack solution to the adhesive side of the film, and start by aligning it on this section of the taillight. So align it, make sure you're covering the red reflector, and you should start by aligning it where the body line is located on the taillight. So you'll see this body line here, align it to that body line on this section here, and this should fall into place to cover this section here. So once it's aligned, apply tack solution on top. Make sure this is flat, that way we don't crease the film. So just like that, and then start tagging it down. Secure this whole section, that way it doesn't move. And then we're just going to do a light stretch to reach to this edge, and then we'll finish tagging on the rest of the film. So in order to stretch it, just lift it carefully, apply slip solution, place it down, stretch the film. Once it's stretched, you're going to see that the fingers we had here became smaller. So now it'll just be easier to tack down each finger. So hold it in position, apply tack solution on top, and squeegee to remove all of the solution underneath the film, and also to help it tack down. And if you need to lift this part to readjust it, you can. Just lift the film carefully, tack this back down, and just place everything back. And then to seal everything, just apply tack solution and heat, and you should be good. So apply heat to help remove the fingers. And you're just going to wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and squeegee at an angle. As you can see now, since we squeegee at an angle, we were able to remove the finger. And just make sure you seal all of the rest of the film, and then we'll move on with this top piece. So for the last piece that covers the top section, apply tack solution on top and on the adhesive side of the film, And we're going to start by aligning the film to this section of the tail light. So make sure you cover it up to the edge like that, and it's just going to overlap and meet this film just by a little bit. So it should be roughly like this. And all we need to do is just apply tack solution on top, hold it in position and tack it down to secure it. Make sure you tack down this section and it stays secure. That way when we do a light stretch, this section doesn't move. So for this one, just lift the film carefully, apply slip solution, place the film back down, make sure this area is dry. That way our hand has a grip to the tint. And just do a light stretch to reach to the edge there. Hold it in position, apply tack solution, and tack it down to secure it. I'm going to start sealing this whole edge of the tint. Just apply tack solution, use heat and your microfiber towel, and you should be good. Okay, so when it comes to doing the installation for this one, since it is sort of a flat area to work with, you can just start by applying tack solution on the lens and on the adhesive side of the film, and just start by aligning it on the edge like how we did it with the other ones. Okay, so once you have it aligned, just apply tack solution on top, hold it in position, and use your squeegee to tack it down and secure the film to the lens. And all we need to do is just make sure everything stays aligned. So just help it align it, everything should just fall into place. Apply tack solution on top, grab your squeegee, and just start tacking down the film. And then for this part, we're just going to apply a little bit of heat and use your microfiber towel just to help seal this top edge, that way it doesn't lift over time. And we could also apply heat around this area, so that way it doesn't lift over time. So for this one, I'll start by applying slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. That way we're able to move the film around and align it to the edge. So align it on top and on the bottom. Make sure everything's being covered. And start by applying tack solution underneath the film. That way the film starts to tack down and secure on the edge. So lift it carefully, apply tack solution as well. Keep it aligned. And we should be good. Apply tack solution on top. And with your squeegee, tack everything down around this area. Make sure you're holding it in position too. And make sure you're moving all of the solution underneath the film. And then just help it tack down here. Take your time tacking everything down. Squeegee at an angle, that way we don't crease the film. So you can also apply tack solution to help the film start tagging down more faster. And to help remove any fingers that you may have on the top section here, just apply a little bit of heat with tack solution and use your microfiber towel and squeegee, and you should be good. So just apply tack solution, apply heat, make sure you're applying heat evenly throughout each finger, not focused on one area because you may burn the film. So apply heat, and then once we finish applying heat and the fingers shrink, tack everything down with the microfiber towel. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation on the tail light is to post heat the entire film. So just apply tack solution to the entire lens. And we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And also while we're applying heat, we're going to use a microfiber towel just to help tack down the film and also help remove any solution that's still trapped behind the film. So take your time applying heat evenly throughout the entire tail light. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the tail light tints for the 2021 Subaru Forester. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.